Okay guys, 2020 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L. Sends you from Real Deal Auto. Rebuilt title. Had a little side swipe that kind of had a little line through here. There's no mechanical, no airbags on this vehicle. Just some body damage. Nothing on the front was touched. Super clean. It's got fresh oil in there. Did have a little bit of damage up right above this wheel well too. But it's just body damage. Leather, 7-passenger. Your parking sensors. 65,487 on the miles. Backup camera. So heated steering wheel, heated seats. On your cruise. Power windows, locks and mirrors. There's a blind spot monitor if you can see that. Power sliding doors. All your power options down here. No sunroof. Clean, doesn't look like there's any rust. I believe these stow and go inside there.
Chapman.
There's a little paint here. We'll see if we can get that off there. But really the only flaw we could find. Dash looks super clean. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.